Wow. Did something right away, didn't it? We've got stuff floating up, the grease and the food or whatever is coming up on this side. Now, did that go down? Is that down? So
yes,
that has,
it's going down. Yeah.
that has gone down. It's only been about 4 or 5 minutes. So the drain punch is doing something. It's gone down. And then on this side, we see it bubbling up the food and the goop. Well, we just noticed that at about 5 or 6 minutes, would you say?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Not very long at all. It's gone. And it's gone over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit 30 minutes as the directions say on the bottle.
30 minutes exact.
What just happened?
We just heard that sucker just suck right on through.
We were going out the door to
Out
come
the
back
door
later.
to come back. Yep.
What'd you say, ma'am? You heard it?
Yeah, we heard it.
Yep.
There was that.
Gone.
Yep.
Wow.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Let's see. That went right on, dude. That was very cool. We just cleared a kitchen sink drain that was clogged with grease in 30 minutes exactly on its nose.
And what did you try to do before we used the drain punch?
I ran a snake down it for an hour and a half to try to break the clog up and could never get it.
Are you glad you found drain punch?
Absolutely. Best thing in the world.
Thanks.